I got a rejection in less than 2 minutes.
She thinks AI is her biggest problem.
This BBC interview has been everywhere recently. Since this sparked a lot of debate about AI and jobs, I'll be here to talk about why this is happening and what jobs out there and how you can secure these spots. Hi, I'm Melanie, Course and Career Advisor in London College of Professional Studies. First of all, AI isn't taking all of the jobs. It's just making it harder to enter the right ones. Think about roles like basic admin work, data entry, simple customer support. These are the kinds of tasks that AI can do faster, cheaper, and 24/7. But remember, it's not people AI are replacing. It's the low-skill, non-specialized work. You'll still need human judgment and emotional intelligence on so many jobs, and these are jobs AI cannot place. Take our most popular course right now, project management, for example. Right now, there are over 30,000 project manager job openings on Indeed in the UK right now. AI can analyze data, but it can't lead people or make real decisions. Can AI replace care workers? No. In healthcare and nursing, the UK still has over 100,000 vacancies. Teachers. The UK education system is still facing ongoing shortages. According to the UK education reports, hundreds of schools in the UK are still hiring English, science and maths teachers now. So when these jobs open, do you have the correct qualifications to access them? Start your journey now. It's never too late. MVQ RQF qualifications are fully online, presented by Ofqual regulated awarding bodies, designed to help you progress into real career pathways. Comment pathway and I'll help you find where to start.